So it's that time of year again. We're doing some fall camping, getting ready for winter, and I got my wood stove, so I'm going to give a little update on that. Still working pretty good. The stove jack is doing great. I haven't had any issues. Nothing's caught on fire, so that's a win. So I'll show you the changes that I've done to the wood stove. So this is the tent all set up for sleeping. I do a single cot since it's just me. There's lots of storage under the cot, and then the wood stove is sitting here. I use a welding blanket just to protect the tent in case it gets too hot, because I have made the mistake and thrown some pine in there, and it gets pretty hot. But as you can see, I've just done a flexible 90 right out of the stove. It's a little off-centered to get it up to the stove jack with one 22-inch pipe. And then I've got my flue sitting right here. Take you outside so you can see. And that's how it looks now from the outside. It's just a galvanized pipe that came with the Camp Chef wood stove. And then just this little spark arrestor that came with it sitting up there does help if it focuses, which it does now. But aside from that, that's the only changes I've made to it, is adding the flexible 90 degree, and it's working pretty good.
Okay, watch what you say, Mike's recording.
Well, you gotta tell us a story. Tell us where you're taking us.
So, we're going down here, we're going to find Mike's new place,
Oh yeah?
because he's the toolist.
I'll try to be.
Could be slippery, wet leaves and tree roots.
Those guys were running here. It can't be that slippery.
Yeah. You alright, Mike?
Oh yeah.
It's a bit of a workout.
Yeah. That's not too bad.
Let's see climbers up in here.
Oh yeah.
All the way up. But it's kind of cool. It goes in, turns, there's a little section off to there. Pretty interesting.
Yeah, you don't even really see what's under there.